Your business is powered by vehicles. Getting access to accurate vehicle data is critical. Well, we made it easy. Pick a car, get status, wait for it. Data. Quick, clear, accurate vehicle data directly in Salesforce. Otonomo Salesforce app makes it easy. One car, done. A whole fleet, no problem. With one click, one screen, see all the data that impacts your business. Remember all of these? Ugh. Well, look at them now. Monitor location and status of entire fleets. You have trip status for every vehicle. Yeah, for your whole fleet. Build a geofence to prevent unauthorized vehicle use. Find the closest vehicle to dispatch to your customers. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Get started in moments. No additional hardware, software, or integrations. Ready to grow your business? Contact Otonomo today.